So hey guys, thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you subscribe if you like the video. So what I'm going to talk about is how to know the tags of a particular video that on YouTube that you like, and how, if you want to know exactly why they're getting those numbers. So let's see what tags they're using. Now all you have to do, now you can see here, it's almost 2 million. Now just kindly scroll down and do a right click somewhere and then view page source. Alright, so this is the HTML, should I say, how the web page was built up. So just need to click on Control F for find, and then afterwards we'll type in the word keywords with an S. Alright, and there you go. Once after that word highlighted in Word, that's gonna be the tags. You can see that's quite a bit a long list. So what I will suggest is highlight one part and then hold shift and click on right keypad, sorry about that, until you reach channel ID, because channel ID, that's the dead end. So that's where it ends, that's where the tags end. So just back up a bit and then click on copy, or right click then copy. There you go. Now open up a Word document. Okay. Now what from here? Just go ahead and do a copy paste. There you go. Now just to clean this up a bit, so we know exactly. It's quite a pain if you need to, like, one by one do a delete on it. So click on Control F, then do a replace. For this particular let's say for this particular symbol, I do the hit on replace all, removing without adding any replacement at the bottom. So just replace all, it will remove those. Go ahead and you're left with this symbols, or should I say separations of the words. Now before we go ahead and delete the last part, I would suggest to like separate them, like do an enter, so that's going to be word by word or structure by structure, sentence by sentence, whatever you call it, and then do the final replacement. Control F, put the final symbol, do a replacement with nothing at the bottom for the replacement part, replace all, and there you go. Now you have the complete tags that you want to use, that you wanted, that came from that particular video. So go ahead and copy that and paste it on your video, and I hope it brings you more views in your channel. So thank you for watching my channel. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, kindly please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.